Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. So if you have Grandstream switch and you want to upgrade the firmware, as you can see this switch has very lowest firmware version and you want to upgrade the firmware of this switch. So navigate to the firmware website of Grandstream and look for your model and click on the link, then the firmware will be downloaded. So either you can upload the firmware by downloading, or you can paste this firmware server path in the switch under maintenance upgrade option, and you can select your uploaded file in the update field, or you can paste the firmware server path here, then click OK and check for updates. If the switch has internet connection, it will detect the firmware. Otherwise, you have to download the firmware and upgrade in the switch. So now you can see that new firmware version detected and proceed to upgrade. So you can download and upgrade via the path, or as we have downloaded the file, then extract this file and upload the file. Select your unzip file, then the firmware file will be start uploading. So it takes a few seconds and upgrading the firmware. After complete upload, you can upgrade the switch firmware and click on upgrade now. And during the upgrade, do not power off the switch. So it is now rebooting and you have to wait for a few minutes and then log in again. So now switch is restarted and coming with the new IP address. Now I'm going to log in and show you the latest firmware version in the switch. So this way you can upgrade your switch. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.